Best ski resorts for beginners in USA. Choosing the right ski resort for beginners can make all the difference in ensuring an enjoyable and successful first-time skiing experience. Here are 10 of the best ski resorts for beginners in the USA. Number 1. Deer Valley Resort, Utah. Deer Valley Resort is a premier ski resort located in Park City, Utah. Known for its upscale amenities, impeccable grooming, and excellent customer service, Deer Valley offers world-class skiing and snowboarding opportunities across its vast terrain. The resort features luxury accommodations, fine dining options, and a variety of winter activities, making it a popular destination for both avid skiers and luxury travelers. Number 2. Aspen Snowmass, Colorado. Aspen Snowmass is a renowned ski resort complex situated in Colorado, encompassing 4 distinct mountains: Snowmass, Aspen Mountain, Aspen Highlands, and Buttermilk. It offers diverse terrain suitable for skiers and snowboarders of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the Rocky Mountains while exploring over 5,500 acres of skiable terrain. Beyond skiing, Aspen Snowmass hosts various winter activities such as snowshoeing, snowmobiling, and ice skating. The town of Aspen nearby offers a vibrant après-ski scene with upscale restaurants, shops, and art galleries. Number 3. Beaver Creek Resort, Colorado. Beaver Creek Resort, nestled in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado, is renowned for its luxurious ambience and exceptional skiing. Boasting over 1,800 acres of skiable terrain, including meticulously groomed slopes and challenging steeps, it caters to skiers and snowboarders of all levels. The resort offers top-notch amenities such as upscale lodging, fine dining options, and an array of on-mountain activities like snowshoeing and ice skating. Its charming alpine village features boutique shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes, creating a quintessential mountain retreat atmosphere. Number 4. Breckenridge Ski Resort, Colorado. Breckenridge caters well to beginners with its dedicated learning areas and beginner-friendly chairlifts. The resort's Skate and Ride School offers a variety of lesson options, including private instruction and group classes, to help beginners build confidence and skills on the slopes. Number 5. Keystone Resort, Colorado. Keystone is known for its family-friendly atmosphere and extensive beginner terrain. The resort's learning areas are conveniently located near the base village, making it easy for beginners to access lessons and rentals. Keystone also offers night skiing, allowing beginners to practice under the lights after the sun goes down. Number 6. Park City Mountain Resort, Utah. Park City Mountain Resort offers a wide range of beginner terrain, including gentle slopes and dedicated learning zones. The resort's Skate School provides personalized instruction for beginners, with a focus on building confidence and skills at a comfortable pace. Number 7. Steamboat Resort, Colorado. Steamboat's beginner slopes are known for their wide open spaces and gentle pitches, making them ideal for those just starting out. The resort offers beginner-friendly lift tickets and rental packages, as well as group and private lessons taught by experienced instructors. Number 8. Sun Valley Resort, Idaho. Sun Valley boasts beginner-friendly terrain with wide, gently sloping runs that are perfect for learning. The resort's Skate and Snowboard School offers a variety of programs for beginners, including multi-day clinics and private lessons, tailored to individual skill levels. Number 9. Northstar California Resort. Northstar California Resort features dedicated learning areas and gentle slopes ideal for beginners. The resort's Skate and Snowboard School offers group and private lessons taught by certified instructors, as well as specialized programs for first-time skiers and snowboarders. Number 10. Vail Mountain Resort, Colorado. Vail offers extensive beginner terrain and top-notch ski instruction through its renowned ski school. The resort's learning areas are designed specifically for beginners, with wide, gentle slopes and dedicated beginner-friendly lifts. Vail also offers beginner packages that include lessons, equipment rental, and lift tickets, making it easy for newcomers to get started. These resorts offer a combination of gentle terrain, excellent instruction, and beginner-friendly amenities to ensure a positive experience for first-time skiers. Whether you're looking to take your first turns on the snow or improve your skills, these resorts provide the ideal environment for beginners to learn and grow as skiers. Thanks for watching.